Guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to disable the Roblox Beta. So first of all you have to open your PC and then just open your local disk C, and after that you will find here the two options, program file and the program file x86. You have to just open one by one and then check that in which folder the Roblox folder exists. Like in this program file Roblox does not exist, so I just move back and then open the program file x86. After this you will find that here Roblox folder exists. I just scroll down and just double click to open this folder, and now double click to open the versions folder, and here you will find the option Roblox Studio Launcher Beta. So I just right click on this option and delete it from here. After deleting this you have to just open this folder here and you will find here the Roblox Player Beta exists. Now you have to just repeat to delete this option here. Right click on this option and then click on the delete. It will take a while. After this you have to just click on your Windows option. Basically you have to just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC just open your Roblox player, and this time you can see that your Roblox Beta has been disabled. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in my description. So give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.